Here are some pieces that I've made in the past that utilize the same techniques as what I'm going to show you in the video today. Some are roses, some are other flowers, some have pierced pieces, and then is one with little birds. These pieces are pieces I made previously. They have all been sold, but I can make similar pieces in the future. These last two pieces have the little flowers and already attached to the porcelain, but they have not yet been fired. They are ready to fire at this point. These are the pierced bowls that I have made recently. There are more, but this is most of them. This is the setup I used to make the little flowers, mostly roses, that I put on those little pierced bowls that I've been doing. This is my flower clay. It's my own formula. Today I'm going to show you how I do that. First, I take a small ball or piece of the clay and I roll it into a ball on my fingertip and flatten it out until it's very flat, very thin, about 1/8 of an inch circle. Then I roll it into the center of the rose. And take another little piece of clay. And I roll it into a little ball and flatten it on my finger. Again, very thin, very flat. You can see the thickness of it there. Take that piece and I put it on here. Notice that the petals overlap. Fasten it onto the center of the rose. And I take another piece. Need a little bit more on that one. Roll it and flatten it. And again, notice that it overlaps the previous one. Could have probably overlapped a bit more on that one, but I didn't. Get another piece of clay. Attach it to the flower. Curl the petal a bit. This one's going to be a little bit larger than most of them because it looks crooked. It looks not round enough. You can do this and make, well, pretty good size ones, not as big as you want, I guess, but they can be fairly good size. by just adding more and more petals. Just like a rose, like a real rose, you have petals that overlap. And as long as you keep going, it will increase in size. This is definitely a miniature process, so they're not going to get super large, but you can make them bigger. So now that's better. It's more round and more symmetrical. And I cut it off to give it a flat bottom. Probably could cut a little more off of that one. It gives it a flat bottom so it'll stick to the china and sit straight better. Make the bottom more round. All my flower clays are colored except for the white one. Most of these I color with Mason stains, and I have done all that myself. Like I said, it's my own formula. This yellow is, I believe, from a slip, and the lilac is from a slip that it was already colored. These are some more pieces that are made using those same techniques. Some have roses, some fairies, some pierced pieces, others not. You can find these in the Capa de Monte and pierced china sections of my shop on my website. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Thank you.